So Dana, you're fixing to try this maneuver, creek walking, I guess you'd call it.
The creek walking.
Let me show y'all what he's fixing to do. He's fixing to go through these little narrow openings, ride down here, come off. The video's probably not going to show it good. He's going to come off a ledge into a creek bed, into mud, and motor up the hill. We'll see how it goes.
Right.
Okay, here he goes, folks. Going through the uprights, through the creek bed. You got it all the way. Hit it. Yeah! All right, you up? Drew, going through the uprights. Creek walking. Oh! Well, here I go. So far, nobody's wrecked. Okay, so I fell in the creek, but it's okay. Here we go. Woo! Can we take a rest? Do we get a rest for a minute?
Yeah.
I gotta brush myself off.
We can rest for a second.
How did I look?
You look good. Awesome.
Was it as bad as it looked? Or?
Yeah. Look at your camera flipped.
It
It was pretty rough.
Huh?
I mean, it looked pretty rough.
You're getting sideways, man. You come
But
right
as
the
soon
hill.
as you come down, you landed like this instead of straight down. You went like this, and then you hit it, and you just moved.
The rut, I guess I was on the side.
Yeah.
Cause I tried to actually, instead of coast, I tried to like go.
Yeah.
I should have just deal with what y'all did.
But
Okay, for everybody that just seen that wreck, before you start laughing, you need to see what I just went through. Soft dirt, rutted, mud, water, cliff, another cliff, and little skinny poles. So if anybody can do better, they're welcome to come and show me.